Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. And in this video we will be reviewing the Phemex website. So with that, let's just get started. According to this website, we can see that we can get some information about Phemex. Phemex is founded in 2019, and which has been a good company, raising 2.49 million. It has been around till date, which means that we can trust it, and we can trust the company. All right. They said their headquarters is in Singapore, and I think this is very right. This is very right, because according to other sources, I also see that it is really Singapore. So we will check Phemex review on the Trustpilot to see what people think about it. So here's the website that already loaded. We can see that Trustpilot users are rating the site 2.2/5, which means that the company, there are some issues, which means there are some issues. This doesn't mean that it can't be trusted, but you have to know why people give it those reviews. Maybe the app is maybe their website is not loading fast, or their minimum deposit is not good, or something like that. But why we are here is to think if this Phemex app is good for you. But for me, I don't think Phemex is a good platform for those who are just getting started as a trader. I don't know if they can improve that in the future, but as I'm talking today, I don't think so, because if you are a new user and you are new to crypto trading, you might run away. Because they have done some trading bots and so on and so forth, which means if you don't understand what you are doing, your money might just get lost. You might just lost your money, and when you lose your money, you say the platform is bad, but you didn't take time to study. So this is August 25, 2023 review from a user, which state that there is no consistency in time. If I have OT and confirmation email, then email it's just able to leave me waiting as pending review. Maybe he's complaining. This guy is complaining about customer support, I think so. So visit the why is it that I can't send a message? Why is it I can't send a message for assistance? Yes, assistant message might be problem there again, as you can see. Someone is complaining about that. Okay, let's read the 5-star reviews to see what next. So someone gave 5-star. So I would like to read this guy's review from the US. He says the future interface and it's probably the best UI and UX there is out there in terms of crypto exchanges. The bonus is when comparing rates, the exchange offers one of the most competitive rates, and they are almost top crypto derivatives or whatever exchange. Their copy trading product also looks very promising. Well, as I can see, most people that are giving reviews here are from the US. I think so. This one is from London. This guy is from London. Here is US. So I won't like to read the. As you can see, this is October 2022 review. So I won't like to consider it that much, but I'll consider the July 25 review from the guy in England. Yeah, England. So, which is cool, but to be honestly speaking, a platform that 54% of people gave 1 star and 32% of people gave 5 star is something that is not really. It won't make sense to trust it 100%. You know what I mean? So you have to try, because some people might make it and some people might not make it. There are many reviews, many point of views about the platform. So it is trusted. It is not a scam because I have also invested money and got my withdraw, but it's very hard. It's not a beginner platform. It's not a beginner platform, and the minimum deposit is I think 10 USD or 8 USD, and I don't like it because I would like to withdraw like at least $5 minimum deposit. But yeah, well, maybe they will change it in the future. Welcome, and here we are in Traders Union. Yeah, Traders Union, and as you can see, they stated the advantages and the disadvantages of trading with Phemex. So I will just go quickly to the first advantage is the spot and contract loads and token US dollar. The ability to reduce spot trading fees to 0%. Leverage times 100 is available for contract trading. Minimum deposit of 0.001. I don't know how much is it. I don't know how much is it because of I think well it will be 5 USD. Demo account and free premium mode test. Extensive knowledge base, referral program, investment program. Everyone has referral program. So disadvantages: communication with technical support is conducted via email only. I think so. And you might wait for very long before you get a rep. Without a premium account, trading conditions are less favorable. As you can see, without a premium account. So just know all those key stuff. So I will just run away because I don't want to waste you guys time. You can read more about it in Traders Union. I would like to link to it in the description so that you can go and find out in there. So I want to read some little bit facts. Are the fees charged on a demo account? So if you have a demo account, will they charge you from fees? Yes, but they are written off the virtual fund and used for trading on the demo account. It allows you to learn the level of fees. The demo account is just for learning. Why do some brokers set a high minimum deposit? Well, many companies with high minimum deposit are focused on working with professional traders with experience and large capital. Thank you. Therefore, they set a high entry threshold, which is it makes sense. It makes sense. Can the level of fees differ for cent and standard account? Yes. On cent account, the fees are generally lower than standard account. Well, we will run away from this and go to the next tip. Here we are in the Phemex Learn and Earn. So this Phemex Learn and Earn, well, it will work for people in the US and so on. Well, but I don't trust the Phemex Learn and Earn because by learning you earn. I don't think so. So you will have to get your own money on your own. I've learned a lot with the stuff, but I didn't earn anything. So they will just give you some discount. So you have to invest money to earn. So I don't recommend this for making money neither. So that's all. Now we go to the trading fees. So is there a fee to deposit Bitcoin? No, there's not a fee. Phemex does not charge any fees on deposit. So on deposit, they don't charge. Is there a fee for withdrawal? Yes, there's a fee for withdrawal, which is 0.005 BTC Bitcoin. Are there fees to trade? Yes, there are fees to trade. 0.01% trading fee. So that's all what you see. And this register and earn $180. I don't also trust it because after registering, if you don't deposit any money, you are not going to get anything. So even if you get $180, it will be a demo money. It will be a demo account. You cannot use it to make money and withdraw. So well, last but not least, I am just trying to look at their website interface and see. As you can see, the news are down here. The interface is not bad for me. It is not a bad interface. It's not a bad interface, but experiences with it are just, I don't know. Some people it's what it's for, some it's not. So what do you think about the Phemex app? I already shared my own honest opinion that it